Over 2 action-packed days, Drone Nerds brought together a crowd of UAV professionals and innovators. ElevateUAV delivered over 30 expert-led sessions, along with workshops and live demos that gave attendees a front-row seat to the latest breakthroughs in drone technology.
One of the things that we saw in the past is when we would visit different exhibitions and trade shows, there'd be a lot of walking around on the show floor and seeing products on tables with spec sheets, but you never had a chance to really see these in action.
What makes it unique is that you have the brands and the manufacturer right inside our hall, and of course we're here to help you out, but they have sometimes access to answers that we might not know yet. But then we can come outside here and show you those things. We can test them. We can show you a real flight with the drone that you wanted to see. You're gonna have that full experience.
This is an event specifically focused on people in the enterprise and consumer and ag drone space. You can go to a ton of shows all over that have a lot of things. They have TVs, they have laptops. This is a drone show for drone enthusiasts with the top manufacturers in the entire industry. For us, it's like the Super Bowl.
It has been an amazing 2 days of educational sessions, live flight demonstrations, and networking opportunities. I'm grateful because we have this wonderful group of partners who come help sponsor this event and exhibit, from drone manufacturers to software providers and accessory providers, as well as expert speakers from all across the industry.
We've had a lot of vendors that are excited to come in 2026. I had the pleasure of walking the floor and meeting a lot of our existing customers and a lot of new customers, and nothing but good responses on how educational their experience was at Elevate 2025. Thanks, guys.